In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop Siri from reading messages. So each time you have messages, your Siri will pick up this message and read it aloud so that you can either listen to this message or read the message without even touching your iPhone. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to stop Siri from reading messages on your iPhone is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, locate notifications and click on that. Yes. Then tap the notification option. Now the next thing you want to do is locate announce notifications. That's under Siri. Click on that. Here, if this is enabled like this, Siri will announce all your notifications. So that is the case. But here, once this is enabled, for Siri to announce some notifications on your device, just come down here and locate the message. You see this? Under announce notification from, then click on messages. Here, turn off notification announcement or announce notifications. There you go. Then henceforth, whenever there is a message coming to your iPhone, Siri will stop announcing the message on your iPhone. So this is how you can easily stop Siri from reading messages on iPhone. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.